Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to present our business plan, which is the frozen food vending machines. So for business concept and vision, our business idea is to provide vending machines that sell frozen food products. This machine will operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so customer can buy food anytime. This business is suitable for busy people like students, workers, and also families who may not have time to go to the store. And our vision is to make buying frozen food easier, faster, and more convenient in Malaysia. We plan to place the machine in strategic places such as university, housing area, and also the transport stations. The machines will also use cashless payment and a smart system to check the stock. This makes the service more modern and efficient. The main problem today is that many stores have limited opening hours. This makes it hard for customers to buy frozen food at night or during busy time. And another problem is that some places do not have nearby grocery stores, so customer needs to travel far. And our solution is to install frozen food vending machine in suitable location. These machines are always available and offer frozen food like nuggets, sausage, and ready-to-cook meat. Other than that, customer only need to choose their item and pay using e-wallet or debit card. This makes shopping easier and save times. Our business make profit by selling product at a higher price than the cost price. Since the vending machines is automatic, we do not need many workers, so costs are lower. The startup cost includes rent vending machines, product stock, transport, installation, and maintenance. We also need money for marketing to promote the business. Therefore, we need funding to start and grow this business. In the future, this business has good potential because the machine can operate independently and generate profit continuous. Overall, the frozen food vending machine is a modern business that provides convenience and save time for the customer. We believe this business has strong potential to grow in Malaysia.
Next, for the business model, Melati Mekar food industry generates revenue through smart frozen food vending machine that provide halal ready-to-eat meal 24 hours a day. The target customer include university student, hospital staff and visitor, office worker, as well as traveler who need quick and convenient food option at any time. The value proposition is offering fresh, halal and preservative-free meals through smart vending technology with built-in heating functions. Customer can enjoy her meals within minutes without waiting in long queue. Revenue is generated directly from food sales through vending machine, allowing the company to eliminate middlemen and increase profit margins. To support this business model, we collaborate with vending machine technology provider, cashless payment partners, and strategic location owners such as university and hospital. This model combines food manufacturing expertise with automation technology to create a convenient and scalable food solution.
For this slide, I will explain the industry and market analysis for our proposed vending machine business at Melati Mekar Enterprise. First of all, let's look at the industry overview. The vending machine industry is growing rapidly due to increasing demand for convenient, fast, and contactless purchasing options. The widespread use of Do It Now QR and e-wallet payments has encouraged more consumers to use vending machines. In Malaysia, vending machines allow business to expand their market reach at a lower cost compared to opening physical store. Next is our target market. We focus on 4 main customer groups. First, we focus to the students from universities such as UMT and UNISA. They have busy schedule and need quick access to snack and beverage. Second is office workers who have limited time during working hours and prefer convenient meals and snack options. Third is hospital staff and visitors. Since hospital operates 24 hours a day, vending machine can provide food and drink at any time, especially during night shift and public holiday. And the last one is tourists and transport users at petrol station, R&R areas, bus terminal and transit hubs. These customers often make quick and impulse purchases while traveling. Moving on to market demand and opportunities, consumers today prefer convenience, speed and accessibility. The growing acceptance of self-service purchasing creates an opportunity for vending machines to generate sales 24 hours a day. High traffic location also provide access to a large customer base. Lastly, the market growth potential is very promising. The increasing demand for vending machines and cashless transaction enables business to expand without opening additional outlets. This creates a new revenue stream while maintaining lower operating costs and support long-term business growth. Let's bring the competitor analysis, barriers to entry and competitive advantage of our vending machine business. First of all, let's compare our business with existing competitors. The first competitor is other vending machine operators. Their strength include 24/7 service, convenient and cashless payment. However, they often have common product that we usually find anywhere. Besides, competitor is convenience store. They offer a wider product selection and direct customer service. However, they have limited operating hours and higher operating costs. The third competitor is cafeteria and food kiosks. Their strength is providing fresh food and personal interaction with customers. However, the customers often face long queues and fixed operating hours. The fourth competitor is food delivery application. They provide convenient ordering, but the customer may pay delivery fees and wait for their orders to arrive. Next are the barriers to entry. Starting a vending machine business requires a significant initial investment for machine purchase and installation. It can also be difficult to secure strategic location with high customer traffic. Despite this barrier, our business has several competitive advantage. First of all, we will place our vending machine in strategic high traffic location to maximize these opportunities. Second, we provide 24 hours product availability, allowing customer to purchase item at any time. Third, we support cashless payment method, making transaction faster and more convenient. Finally, compared to opening traditional retail outlet, vending machine require lower operating costs while still allowing the business to expand and reach more customers.
Next, I would like to introduce the team behind the Smart Frozen Food Vending Machine project. The Managing Director, which is Rosmawati binti Busu, leads the project by setting business strategy and driving expansion plans. The General Manager oversees daily operational logistics and vending machine replenishment to ensure products are always available. The Sales and Marketing Manager is responsible for customer acquisition, promotion and increasing brand awareness. The Production Supervisor ensures all frozen food products meet halal, hygiene and quality standards before distribution. The Account and Administration Executive manages financial records, budgets, supplier payments and administrative tasks that support smooth operation. Meanwhile, the Vending System Technician handle machine maintenance, software, monitoring, troubleshooting and cashless payment integration. Together, this team combines expertise in food production, operations, finance, marketing and technology to ensure the success of the Smart Vending Machine project. Next, I will present our traction and milestone. For our current traction, Melati Mekar food industry has demonstrated strong business growth since its establishment in 2003. The company has successfully transformed from a home-based business into a recognized frozen food manufacturer in Terengganu. In addition, Melati Mekar has obtained Halal and Mesti certification, which enhance customer trust and product credibility. The company has also expanded its operation with multiple kiosks in Kuala Nerus and Kuala Terengganu and currently employ approximately 50 workers. Furthermore, Melati Mekar has secured a partnership with a smart vending machine provider and adapted its product packaging to ensure compatibility with vending machine distribution. Moving on to our future milestone, in Phase 1, which covers months 1 to 12, the company plans to launch smart frozen food vending machine at selected high-traffic locations such as University and Transit Terminal. In Phase 2, covering months 13 to 24, Melati Mekar aims to introduce heating-enabled vending machine and a mobile loyalty application with a QR reward system to enhance customer convenience and engagement. Finally, in phase 3, starting from year 3 onwards, the company plans to expand its vending machine network nationwide while implementing AI-powered inventory forecasting and digital advertising features to improve operational efficiency and generate additional revenue. This milestone will support Melati Mekar's long-term objective of becoming a leading technology-driven frozen food manufacturer in Malaysia.
For this business, we are seeking an initial funding of 35,000 to support the launch of our frozen food vending machine business. And this funding is important because our business requires a significant upfront investment in vending machine technology, product inventory, and operational setup before we can start generate revenue. The funding will help us install and set up the vending machine, purchase our initial stock of frozen food products, and also implement cashless payment system to improve our customer convenience. In addition, part of the funding will be used for marketing and promotional activities to increase customer awareness and also to encourage first-time purchases. So overall, this funding will provide the resources needed to establish a strong market presence and support the long-term growth of the business. For allocation and use of funds, the 35,000 funding will be allocated across several key areas of the business. The largest portion will be used for the vending machine rental, installation, and system setup, as the machine is the main asset that generates revenue. Another significant portion will be allocated to purchasing the initial inventory, including a variety of frozen food products to ensure the sufficient stock for the customer. We will also allocate funds for operational expenses such as maintenance, transportation, temperature monitoring system, and also machine servicing to ensure smooth operation. In addition, the part of funding will be used for marketing and promotional activities, including the social media advertising and promotional campaigns to attract customers and increase brand awareness. And lastly, a portion of the funding will be reserved as working capital and contingency funds to cover daily operational expenses and any unexpected costs.
Next, I would like to present the visual summary of the Year 1 financial projection for my frozen food business. This represents the projected monthly cash balance. The company's rolling cash position show healthy and consistent growth, steadily increasing from 37,000 in January to nearly 60,000 by December. This proves that the business maintains an excellent and strong liquidity position. This compare the monthly cash received against disbursement. In January, you can see a significant spike in cash received, reaching 49,600 driven by the initial capital injection and SME financing setup. For the remaining months, the business consistently generates a stable revenue of 14,600 while keeping the total monthly operating expenses strictly controlled 12,000. In conclusion, this data confirms that the frozen food business is highly sustainable, carries zero risk of cash deficits, and is well positioned for future expansion. Moving on to the break-even analysis, based on our monthly operation, the business includes a fixed cost of 7,400 and a variable cost of 5,200, giving us a strong contribution margin ratio of 64.38%. With this figure, our monthly break-even point is 11,495. Since our project monthly revenue is consistently 14,600, the business safely operates above the break-even line, ensuring profitability from the very first month.